Have you ever wondered what are the most amazing places on Earth? This journey will take you to some of the most beautiful and awe-inspiring locations known to mankind. Prepare to be amazed as we reveal some of the world's most stunning destinations. First on our list is the Grand Canyon, USA. This colossal chasm, sculpted by the relentless Colorado River, stretches over 277 miles. Its profound depth and vibrant layers bear testament to millions of years of geological history. An absolute masterpiece of nature, the Grand Canyon is truly a sight to behold. Next, we take you to the Great Barrier Reef in Australia. This sprawling underwater ecosystem boasts an astonishing array of marine life. Its vastness stretches over 2,000 kilometers, marking it as a natural wonder of the world. A kaleidoscope of colors and life, the Great Barrier Reef is a diver's paradise. Our journey continues to the Northern Lights in Scandinavia. These ethereal illuminations are caused by collisions between gaseous particles in the Earth's atmosphere. Best viewed during dark winter months, they grace the skies of countries like Norway, Sweden, and Finland. A celestial ballet of light dancing across the sky, the Northern Lights are a spectacle like no other. While there are countless breathtaking places on Earth, these are just a few that stand out. The awe-inspiring Grand Canyon, the colorful Great Barrier Reef, and the mesmerizing Northern Lights. Which of these places would you like to visit? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content like this.